Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to place your vote via the appbc.ca website. So the first step you need to do is navigate your way to our website, and the address for that is appbc.ca. Once you're on the home page, you click on the Members button in the top right. This will take you to a login screen where you're going to enter your APBC email address, your password, and then you click sign in. If you can't remember what your email address or your password is, you can first try to reset your own password using this link here, and that will allow you to answer your own secret questions if you have them set. If you're unsuccessful doing that, or you can't remember the answers, you can click here to request administrator assistance. That will, after you fill in your information, that'll generate an email to our office, and they will respond very quickly. If you don't get a response after 24 hours from submitting a login help request, make sure you check your junk folder. The response might be there waiting for you. If you're still not receiving a response, then you can phone the union office and request assistance. Once you're logged in, you're going to be on the members homepage. From this page, you can access a whole variety of information, but to place your vote online, you simply go to Elections and Vote Online. Once you're on the voting page, you'll be displayed your credentials. Make sure that your name, your email address, your station, and your PHSA number and your voting region are all correct. If they're not correct, you can use this link here to contact us and ask that they be updated. You need to review and understand the terms of voting online. And if you agree with those terms, you click the button saying, "I agree, place my secure online vote now." That's going to open up a new tab or window and take you directly to our online voting system. Note that you've now gone to a new website. This is a third-party secure voting system that we contract out for this service. If there's an open ballot, it'll take you immediately, or only one open ballot, it'll take you immediately to that open ballot right now. At the top, you should see your name here beside the logout button. When you're voting, be sure to read the questions and the directions. Some votes might be a simple yes or no. Some votes might have multiple options where you pick one. Some votes might be multiple options where you pick more than one. So be careful to read the instructions. So in this case, it's a simple yes or no, and I'll place my vote as yes. For this question, it's asking what are my top 3 flavors of ice cream. So I have to pick 3 choices exactly. If I try to pick 4, I will receive an error. If I only pick 2 and try to proceed, I'll also receive an error. So it's important that you vote for exactly what you're being directed to vote for. And this is important for things like delegate elections, where you're going to select multiple people on one ballot. Once you've made your choices, you click Continue. It will review your selections and display them for you and ask you to confirm. Once you hit confirm, your vote is placed and it cannot be changed. You hit confirm, you'll be shown a success banner, and it'll now show you current ballots telling you that you've already voted. You also have voting receipts, and as you're voting on different elections, there'll be more and more of them here. You can view that receipt, and it tells you exactly when you placed your vote and what your IP address was, and a unique receipt code. Once you're done voting, you can simply close that tab, and you're back to the APBC website. And that's it for how to place your vote online via the apbc.ca website.